May was a wild month for diamond painting. I finally finished my largest canvas ever, hit my 50th lifetime completion, and learned a lesson the hard way that you definitely want to hear before you mix drills. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. Thank you for being here. If you are new, welcome. And if you are returning, I'm glad to have you back again. My first May finish was Reborn by Claudia McKenney from Diamondartclub. And this thing is massive. It's 41.3 by 27.6 inches. That's 105 by 70 centimeters, square drills, and officially the largest canvas I've ever completed. And the largest one in my entire stash. It took me 88 hours. It's my 50th completion ever and my 14th finish for 2026. I originally started it on May 13th, 2025, worked one full column, and then tucked it away until this year. I don't know why I hesitated, probably the size, because once I picked it back up, it went way faster than I expected. And honestly, it's absolutely stunning. When I first kitted this up with a friend, I used Harbor Freight containers. And then I had the brilliant idea to combine all my 310s and other shared colors from multiple kits into one system. Yeah, no. Do not do this. The drill dye lots vary between kits, sometimes lighter, sometimes darker, and mixing them made the colors inconsistent. I had combined this kit with Secret Garden and a few others I finished earlier in the year, and the differences were obvious. It sounded efficient in theory, but in practice, it was a struggle. So take it from me, one drill system for multiple canvases is a bad idea. I've already dekitted this one, so I can't show the containers, but lesson learned. My second May finish was Love is a Four-Legged Word by Eau Claire Studio, the dog version. They also make a cat version. I started it January 11th, 2026 and finished it May 30th, 2026. It took me 21 hours, making it my 51st lifetime finish and my 15th for 2026. It's a 22 by 22 inch, that's 55.6 by 55.6 centimeters, round drill with 20 colors, and the color blocking and lettering were super satisfying. The glue was a little slippery in a few spots, but overall the drills were great. Classic diamondartclub quality. This one was released in January 2025, and last I checked, DAC still sells both versions, though I'm not sure about current stock. For this kit, I used one of my Harbor Freight storage systems, the ones they sadly don't sell anymore. They're convenient and hold a ton of drills, but the only downside is the drills love to get stuck up near the hinge, so always open them over a tray. The only whip I touched in May was a custom from Heartful Diamonds, a gift from my niece. It has 48 colors and I started it on May 30th. This canvas is incredibly special because it's a portrait of my mother from around 1955, so I wanted to start it in May for Mother's Day. I've put 10 hours into it so far. The canvas and glue are nice, soft backing, good stick, but the rendering and drill quality aren't great. It looks okay from a distance, but up close the colors just aren't accurate and the drills themselves are inconsistent. I'm grateful for the gift, but it's definitely not the same quality as DAC. And that's everything I finished in May. 2 completions, 1 meaningful whip, and a whole lot of hours poured into some beautiful artwork. Okay, so now we're going to go over my monthly review for May 2026. I did a total of 109 hours across 3 canvases. I made 0 purchases, which was 19 less than May of 2025, so that was a big win. Last year, this time, I had purchased 122 diamond art kits, and this year, I have purchased 98 less. I sold 1 kit, and I gifted 1, and I finished 2 canvases. Moving over to the yearly stats, since November of 2024, I have purchased 301 diamond art kits. I finished 51, sold 122, gifted to others 44, and received 4 as gifts. That's leaving my stash as of today at 88. Those are my May 2026 monthly and yearly review. Thank you for joining me, and if you like this video and would like to see more monthly reviews in the future, click like and subscribe. Thanks. See you in the next one. Bye.